Hello student, welcome here to integral classes. Today we will start our exercise 1.4 from question number 4. So student, now the question says that consider a binary operation on a set which we have given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and table is also given in your book also, and it asked many questions based on this table. So now first question is compute 2 star 3 star 4 and 2 star 3 star 4. So student, now from the table we will find out the value of 2 star 3. 2 star 3, when horizontal and vertical line cross to each other, it is a 2, so we will goes to here right hand side, and column third we will goes to downwards, then we will get the 1. So 2 star 3 is equals to 1 star 4 star 4. Now 1 star 4, there is 1 and goes to right hand side, fourth column, and fourth is 1. So 1 star 4 is 1. Now second side, 2 star 3 star 4. So firstly we will find the value of 3 star 4. So from column 3 we will goes to this row and column 4th. 1, 2, 3, 4th and 4th column, and we will get the answer is 1. So 2 star 1. Now we will find out the value of 2 star 1. So from second row we will goes to from at first column, then answer is 1. So these are the answer of question number 1. Now question number second is, this property is commutative. This property we will use here, which property? We will use here star property. So it asks, this is a commutative or no? So student, for commutative we know that A star B equal to B star A. Now we will take here, suppose the example is 2 star 3. We will find the value of 2 star 3 from the table 2. From second row we will goes to third column. 2 star 3 is what? We will get 1. So value is 1. Now other side we will find out 3 star 2. Now from third row we will goes to which column? Second column. So 3 star 2 is also 1. As we observe, left hand side equal to right hand side, it means it follow commutativity. So yes, it means this symbol star is commutative. Okay. Now next question number 3. Compute the value of, we have given here 2 star 3 star 4 star 5. So student, firstly we will find the value of 2 star 3. So from the table 2 we will goes to third column, we will get the 1. So put here 2 star 3 equal to 1. Now 4 star 5. From fourth row we will goes to fifth column. Here is, and here is the answer is 1. Now what is the value 1 star 1? 1 star 1. It also gives 1. So answer is 1. In question number 5, we have given a student star dash be the binary operation on the set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the operation is given A star dash B equal to SCF of AB. It means we will take the SCF of AB and write the answer is in this table. The question is the operation star is same as star? Define in exercise 4 above. Justify your answer. So student, I have already written here table of question number 4. Now we will make firstly table of which operation? For star dash in question number 5. So as we know that HCF of 1 and 1. What is the HCF of 1 1? 1. Now HCF of 1 2. We know that is also 1. Similarly HCF 1 1 is 1. HCF 1 2 is 1. HCF 1 3 is 1. HCF 1 4 is also 1 and HCF 1 5 is also 1. Now second row HCF of 2 1, then also 1, and HCF of 2 2, HCF of 2 2, it should be also 2, so we will write here 2. HCF of 2 and 3, HCF of 2 and 3, it will be 1, so again we will write. Similarly HCF of 2 4 equal to 2, and HCF of 2 or 5 is 1 because these are the coprime number. Now again HCF of 3 1 is also equal to what? 1 3. So HCF of 1 3 is 1. So HCF of 3 1 is also 1. HCF of 3 2, it is equal to HCF of 2 3. So equal to 1. HCF of 3 3 equal to 3. HCF of 3 4 equal to 1, and HCF of 3 5 is also 1. HCF of 3 5 also 1. Now HCF of 4 1, it is equal to HCF of 1 4, so it is also 1. HCF of 4 2, it is equal to HCF of 2 4, so here is 2. HCF of 4 3, it is equal to HCF of 3 4, also 1. HCF of 4 4 is, it should be 4, and HCF of 4 5 equal to 1. Now HCF of 5 1, it is equal to HCF of 1 5 1. HCF of 5 2 equal to 1. HCF of 5 3 equal to 1. HCF of 5 4 equal to 1, and HCF of 5 5 equal to 5. So student, as we compare here these two tables, these are similar to each other. Check now. 1 1 1 1 1, 2 1 2 1 2 1, and 3 1 1 3 1 1 1 2 1 4. So student, these two operations are similar. It means the question is asked in a question, is the operation star is the same of star? Yes. So we should write here, yes, star dash is same operation as star. These two table we will get equal. So star and star dash are the same operation. Now student, next question is question number 6. Question number 6, star B the binary operation which is defined A star B is LCM of AB. And here is given 4 parts of this question. First part is find the 5 star 7 and 20 star 16. So student, we know that 5 star 7, it is the LCM of this. What is the LCM of? LCM of 5 and 7 will be 35. Now next is 20 star 16. So LCM of 20 and 16, it will be what? 80. So these are the answer of first part. Now in the second part we have given, is star is commutative or not? So student, for commutative we will apply here. Suppose 5 star 7, we will get 35. Now we will find here 7 star 5 is also. So LCM of 7, 5, it should be also 35. Now it will be right here like this. LCM 5, 7, 35. Now as we observe here, both sides are equal. So star is commutative. It follow the commutative property. Now for associative, we will apply here. Take here 3 elements and apply it again. So for third, we will take here 3, 2 star 3 star 4. First we will find the value of this. So 2 star as it is, and we know that LCM of 3, 4 is 12. Now apply 2 and 12. So LCM of 2 and 12 is 12. It should be also 12. So answer is 12. Now again 2 star 3 and star 4. First we will find out the value of 2 star 3. So LCM of 2, 3 is 6. Here 4. Now LCM of 6 or 4 will be 12. So both sides are equal here as we observe. So star is also follow associative property. Associative property. Now for this, find the identity of a star in n. Now here we know that n is a natural number, and for identity we should write here a star e equal to a in star. It should be for identity. It means, what is the meaning of identity? Here is any element. If we will apply here this binary operation, then we will get here same number. But student, we know that natural number is goes to 1, 2 tills to infinite. Suppose if we will take here e equal to 1. E equal to 1 we should here take. Then a star 1 equal to what? LCM of a1. So LCM of a1 equal to should be a. Now 1 star a is also LCM of a1. Sorry, 1a. 1 comma a. It should be also a. So identity element for this binary operation is 1. 1 is the identity element. Next is find the inverse of the operation. So for inverse of the operation, what is the value? If we multiply a into a inverse, then we will get its identity element. So it should be what? If we multiply 1 into 1, then we will get e. So its inverse is exist or not? Yes, its inverse is exist. and identity element is also 1. Question number 7. In question number 7 is given is star is defined the set of A which is given equal to A 1 2 3 4 5 and binary operation is given. We have L star B LCM of AB. The question is find the A and B a binary operation. It means if we will apply here this binary operation, it will be satisfied or not. So we will find out the value. Now student, as we observe here, if we will find out the value of LCM 1 and 1, then answer is also 1 if we will find the LCM of 1 and 1. Similarly, LCM of 1 and 2, then we will get 2. LCM of 2 and 2 is 2. LCM of 1 of 3. 1 3 is 3. LCM of 1 and 4 is 4. And LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. Now next line is LCM of 2 1 2 2 2 4. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. And LCM of 2 and 4 is 4. LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. LCM of 3 and 1 3. LCM of 3 2 6. LCM of 3 and 3 3. LCM of 3 and 4 12. And LCM of 3 and 5 15. So student, here as we completed this table. Now the question is, it is satisfied the binary operation or not? So student, as we know that what is the meaning of binary operation? It we will apply here A cross A, then the resultant is also we will get in A. It means if we apply here this binary operation which is a LCM, we will take here 2 digits. So the resultant is also become in a the resultant is also belongs to set A. But here student, as we observe here, these numbers 6, 12, 10, 15, 20. These numbers are not belongs to this set A. So it is not a binary operation. So we will write here, if A equal to 2, B equal to 3, then A star B equal to 6, and 6 is not a element of A, so star is not binary operation. Now next question number 8, star be the binary operation on N and the binary operation is given A star B equal to SCF of AB. This type of question we have done already, which is the question number 5th. Now again, if it asked that it is a commutative, so student, solution for 1, we know that A star B equal to SCF of AB and B star A is also SCF of BA. So these two results are same. So yes, it is commutative. You want to take an example also. Suppose we have take here A is equals to 2, B is equals to 6. So SCF of 2 is 6 is 2. Now again 6 and 2 SCF. So these are the same. So we will prove. We have to prove here. Now for associativity, we will consider here 3 elements ABC. So we will find out A star B star C is equals to what? A star and SCF of BC. Now again A star and SCF of BC. So we will get the answer is SCF of A, B and C. And C. Other side, if we will solve here, A star B star C. First we will write the solve for this first two element A star B. Then answer is HCF of AB and star C. Now again we will apply the binary operation. Then we will get HCF of A, B and C. So student, as we observe, both are equal. So yes, it is follow associativity also. Yes, it's associative. Okay. Now next is it asked that does exist identity element or not. So we will find out here. Therefore, if we will take suppose identity element A star E equal to A equal to E star A. Now we will consider here E equal to 1. So A star 1 equal to what we will get? HCF of both of these. What is the value of HCF of? Here is 1. Now 1 star A is also, it should be 1. But in this case, for identity element, if we will apply any binary operation here, then we will get same number. So it is not follow. So identity element not exist in this star operation. Now student, we will doing here question number 9, 10 combined, because in this question we have given star is the binary operation and Q is the relation number which is given, and binary operation is given A star B is equals to A minus B. Now we will find out here it is commutative, associative, or there exists a identity element or no. In question number 10 it asked. So we will do combine these two questions and do. Now start. So student, for apply here we will take here A is equals to 2 by 3 because it is a ration number, and B is equals to 3, not 3, we will take here any number 5 by 6 or minus 5 by 6. So now apply this operation 2 by 3 star minus 5 by 6. First we will show here 2 commutative. So now we will get here 2 by 3 minus 5 by 6. It means we will get here 6 is LCM 2, 4 plus 5. It means 9 by 6. Okay, now 4 minus 5 by 6 star 2 by 3. So we will get minus 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Again we will take LCM 6 and minus 5 and 3, how many times 2? Minus 4. So it will become minus 9 by 6. So these are not equal as we observe. So A star B not equal to B star A. It means it is not commutative. Now we will find the for associativity. So again we will consider example. If you want A star B star C, we will find here. Suppose A is equals to 2 by 3, no, 2 by 3, and B equal to minus 5 by 6, and we will take a third element is which is 1 by 2. So now First we will apply here A star B. We will get the value A star B what? 9 by 6. So 9 by 6 star C is 1 by 2. Now again we will apply 9 by 6 minus 1 by 2. So now we will get 6 is LCM. 9 minus 3. So 6 by 6 it means 1. Now other side we will find the value A star B star C. So firstly we will find the value B star C. What is the value? Apply the binary operation A minus B. Here is B is what? B is here minus 5 by 6 and C 1 by 2. Now take LCM. 6 is LCM. Then minus 5 minus 3. We will get here A is what? Sorry. For A is a 2 by 3. We will put here also. Okay. 2 by 3 star and minus 8 upon 6. Now again we will apply here. So we will get 2 by 3 minus 8 by 6. So it will become 2 by 3 plus 8 by 6. So 6 is LCM. We will take 2, 4 plus 8. It means 12 by 6. It means 2. Now as we observe here, resultant are not equal. In this case we will get 1, but other case we will get 2. So A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. It means it is not a associative. Now for identity element, we will apply here this property A star E equal to A. Sorry, A equal to E star A. Now suppose we will consider here E equal to 0. Then A star 0 equal to A minus 0 and we will get the A. Other side we will apply here 0 star A equal to 0 minus A which are not equal. So there is not exist identity element. Part of question number 9, 10. Now binary operation is given A star B A B square. So first of all we will check for commutativity. A star B A B square and B A is equals to B star A B A square. So A star B is not equal to B A square. So it is not commutative. Suppose you will put here A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. So what is the value A B square? 3 3 is 9, 9 2 is 18. Now B A square, 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12. So these are not equal. So student, it's not follow commutativity. Now for associativity, we will apply here again A star B star C. First we will apply here A star B, then we will get AB square. And now let AB square is equals to capital A. So A star C is equals to what? AC square. Now put the value AC equal to what? AC equal to here A equal to AB square. Then we will get AB square C square. Other side we will get, find the answer A star B star C. So first we will write the answer is BC square. Now we will let BC square equal to capital B and get the answer AB square. Put the value capital B and get the answer AB square C square. Now these two are not equal. So it is not associative. Now for the identity element, we know that we should be get the A star E equal to A and E star A equal to A. First we will apply here A star E. So it would be A E square. Now for E star A, then it would be E A square. Suppose we will consider here E equal to 1. So now put the value E equal to 1 and A and it will become A square. So we know that A is not equal to A square except of 1. So their identity element is not exist. Their identity identity element does not exist. Question number 11. We have given A is a set which is defined and process, and star is a binary operation. We will define AB star CD, A plus C and B plus D. Now we know that if binary operation is defined A cross A, then the resultant is also A. It means we have given here n into n. It means n into n into n into n. Then we will get resultant is also n into n, as we observe here. Now we will find out the here this binary operation is commutative, associativity, and find the identity element of this operation. So student, for commutative, now for commutative we know that A, B star, C, D equal to what? A plus C comma B plus D. Other side, if we will write here C comma D star AB equal to what? C plus A comma D plus B. So student, these two sides are equal. So it's follow this star is commutative. Now for associativity we will consider here three pair. First is AB, CD and EF. Now first we will find out the here A, B star, CD, then star EF. Both sides we will solve here, and other side A comma B, C, D star EF. We will follow both sides to prove that left hand side equal to right hand side. Now first we will apply here, then we will get A plus C comma B plus D star EF. Again we will apply this, then A plus C plus E comma B plus D plus F. Now this is work like a pair. It is capital A and capital B, suppose. Now other side we will get A, here is also star, A star, A comma B star. Now value of this C plus E comma D plus F. Now again we will apply here binary operation, then get A plus C plus E comma B plus D plus F. So student, as we observe here, it is the left hand side equal to right hand side. So star is follow the associative property. Star is associative. Now for finding the identity element. So now for identity, A star E equal to A, E star A. First we will consider here this property for identity element. So now we will take here two pair, one is AB and second is E, capital E and small e. Okay, now we will apply here this property by star, then we will get what? A plus capital E comma B plus E. and other side, if we will put here E star E comma, then we will get here E plus A and E plus B. So student, if we will put here E equal to 0, suppose. Now we will put here capital E and small e equal to 0. Then what we will get here? We will get AB and AB. In both conditions we will get AB. So this AB, but is identity element which are not belongs to natural number. It means if here is related to this, A is related to whole number, so there exists a identity element. But here is 0 is not belongs to natural number, so there not exist identity element. Why? Because we will write here and take E equal to 0. So we will get the same condition. But our operation and the set A is defined A into N and natural number is defined 1 to infinite. It means 0 is not an element of natural number. So there is not exist identity element. Question number 12. Statement are true or false which are given here below. Now first is star on n, it means natural number. A star A is equal to A. So student, we know that A is belongs to n. Suppose we will apply here A star A equal to A. Now suppose this binary operation we will consider here as a multiplication. So now put the value of A into A. So we know that A into A it will become A square. Now suppose we will take A equal to 1, which is belongs to natural number. 1 into 1 equal to 1. It should be true. But other side, if we will take here A equal to 2. So 2 into 2, 2 to the 4. It means A is not equal to, it means 2 is, the side is what? We have given this is equal to. It means we know that 2 is not equal to 4. So this statement is false. Now, second part of question number 12. Star is a commutative binary operation on n and we will show that these are equal. So now we will take here left hand side and show and get the right hand side from left hand side. So student, we know that we have given A star B star C. Now it is a commutative property. So we will consider here B star C star A. We should write because star is a binary operation and commutative also. Now it is also a commutative and binary. So we will write here again C star B star A. Now student, we should write here what? We should write here again it is a commutative. So A star C star B. Now again we will apply here commutative property A star B star C. Then we will write here A star B star C. Now we have to get right hand side from left hand side. Now question number 13, we have given A star B equal to AQ plus PQ and star on defined as natural number. So student, now for commutative we will prove here A star B equal to what? AQ plus BQ. Now B star A equal to what? BQ plus AQ. As we know that these two are equal, so A star B equal to B star A and it follow commutative. Now for other side, associativity. We will find the value of A star, B star, C, and other side is A star B star C. Now what is the value of B star C? BQ plus CQ, and A star B, AQ plus BQ star C. Now we will consider here, suppose it is a capital B and it is a capital A. So we should write here A star capital B and other side capital A star C. Now we will apply the binary operation AQ plus BQ, and here is AQ plus CQ. Now again we will put the value of AB. A equal to B equal to what? B equal to BQ plus CQ and whole cube. And other side, if we will put value of A equal to what? AQ plus BQ. AQ plus BQ whole cube plus CQ. As we observe here, these two sides are equal. No student, these are not equal. As we know, AQ plus BQ plus CQ whole cube of this, and here is AQ plus BQ whole cube. So these are not equal. So A star B star C is not equal to A star B star C. So it's not follow associativity. It's not associative. So here is B option is correct. Is a commutative but not associative. So student, thank you for watching video.